Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer OOPS concept. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is object. An object is an instance of a class. It represents a specific example of the class with actual values. An object is a component of a program that knows how to perform certain actions and how to interact with other elements of the program. Objects are the basic units of object-oriented programming. A simple example of an object would be a person or anything you are seeing in the world, that is an object. In programming, we are going to think like this only. Characteristics of an object. Every object has some attributes and behaviors. Identity. Each object must have a different identity from the other, known as object's name. No two objects must have the same name. State. If there are some properties of a class that is designed to derive in an object, it must have some values to get initiated, usually done with the help of constructor. Behavior. Now since the object have a name and some properties, it must have some purpose as well. So these purposes are defined with help of functions, processes, and are known as behaviors. Thank you.